If you want to mute part of a video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the fastest way to silence just one section of your clip without muting the entire video. This is super useful if you want to remove background noise, cut out a mistake, or silence a moment for better editing control. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and go to the timeline. The very first thing you need to do is find the exact point where you want the muted section to begin. To do that, drag the playhead, which is the blue vertical line, to the exact frame where you want the silence to start. Take your time here, because the more precise you are, the cleaner your edit will look and sound. Once the playhead is in the right place, make your first cut. You can do this by clicking the split icon, which is the split rectangle above the timeline. If you prefer a keyboard shortcut, you can also press Ctrl+B. That will separate the clip right at the playhead position. This first split is what creates the beginning of your muted section. Now you need to find the point where you want the original audio to come back. Move the playhead forward to the exact frame where the sound should resume. Again, be as accurate as possible, because this second split will define the end of the section you want to mute. Once you're there, split the clip again using the same split icon or Ctrl+B. At this point, your original clip should now be divided into 3 parts. The middle segment is the section you want to mute, while the parts before and after it will stay unchanged. Click on that middle segment to select it. You'll know it's selected when it becomes highlighted. With that middle clip selected, look to the top right-hand corner panel and click the Audio tab. Inside the audio settings, you'll see a volume slider. Drag that slider all the way down to 0. This will mute only that selected section of the video while leaving the rest of your audio untouched. And that's really all there is to it. By splitting the clip at the start and end points, then lowering the volume of only the middle section, you can mute any part of a video in CapCut in just a few clicks. This is one of the easiest editing tricks for cleaning up your videos, removing unwanted sound, or creating more polished content. If this walkthrough helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.